Hey guys, I say times,
Time check.
time check, 1 a.m. So, mauna agi, isuda jud mga play oy. Ako, babe, na supportive. Tara siya. Tara ko, ga-print. Hawa akong agi guys, ug ni Dangdang, agi na ni Dangdang. So, this is the exciting part, guys. So, my topic is all about different types of meat and their meat cuts. So, that's it. Kaya pa. One day lagi hatag sa mua para maghimog lesson plan. So, ambot lang kung mo expect sila. Check mo na.
Nauna pa po.
Oh, anak. Bali, mauna ang pakita na ko sa board. Tapos, ang shocking ana is, para mabalaan nila, unsang ini nga part. Oh, this is shock. This is the rib.
Dili ba? Kasi pagpapilit.
Is-cash tip lang siguro ni Udiri.
Scotch tape.
Naluyas ako.
So, naon yung monete, oh. Naon yung Scotch tape, kung giana lang, oh. Pilit mo lang ko na.
Dili ba kani, diba? Butang
Dapat dili lang niya sa likod.
Gani, ano? Gani, mo lapos, diba? Ay, tapos diri, is-cash tip.
Diri, te.
Sige daw.
Pero paano? Sige lang.
Sige daw.
Kaya naman.
Hindi may langot. Ah, tama. Judy ka daw. Oops.
Gamay yun na siya.
Isa naman tong cutter, good no? Dapat dito, giduhan ako. Guys, may ganyan natin supporter na. Ay, siya, pinakagahi, oh. Akong supporter, gabi ang pagkaon ako, oh. Kulang sa tulog, saktos kaon.
Bawi na ba?
Bawi, ah.
Tala.
Gusto ko nindot ko ano na daw, no?
Sa ato ni ma-realize din, nakananghabit na tamahuman.
Nag-experiment mi, guys. Nakadagan pa na, oh. Samad ka.
Pilit na siya diriti.
Anak gani.
Ano siya diriti? Mabit ka na tuloy.
Sige.
Decided lang.
Tama lang gud mo, anak lang gud ka mubuo. Bisan anak lang ka mubuo ba kung
Decided lang kung gamiton. Asa naman ito yung mong gunting?
Ano ko naman itong gihatag si mo? Tura ay, sa may trapo.
Diba?
Pa music lang gani may kay. Pa jud ninyo nakita itong pinakagrabe jud nga busy kaniha. Nya ang printer ko nagbinuang pa jud. May gani balik. Grabe lisod ang mga play trabaho guys. Oy, kwarta guys. Ay, kwarta guys, B.
Maya ba ito?
Okay. Hindi ko kira ko guys. Ada ko kay TF guys ba?
Maya ito. Tapos, ito naman kaya kamubo.
Di lang yung pud nang mubo kayo.
Dire. Ano itong kuante?
Asa na shock? Ka-shock.
Chuck. Shock. Beef shock.
Ibangan na po. Ano siya guys. Birahon lang na ko na ugma guys. Kaya mura dyan ko sikin sa guys. I-ekis good na daw.
Ikis na kapag-butang. Para hindi siya makuha.
Para di siya matanggal.
Tipid lang ka guys kay paro lang pinahalo.
Kalawin.
Ikis na ako ni dire.
Sige daw daw. Biraha daw dito sa.
Wait lang. I-ikis na ako.
Ka-ekis na siya guys. Di ko ni matanggal dong.
Di lagi na sa ayaw ko sobra pirati.
Nga, di mo control sa mga sarili ugma.
Na.
Ano lang natay kauban bright guys. Aso nung dilit na bright guys. Ang kuha daw.
Ayaw sa food pirati.
Log jud daw, di ka lusod birahon daw. Luaga guro na oy.
Ano siya guys?
Dang. Sige. Papilit na.
Ano na siya dapat daan? Oh, di ba? No, nila siya mindset.
Di ba? Biscuit na punta. Brisket.
Nga to na siya kanalit eh.
Anaon na ako ba? Pila rin pag ano tapos ano na ako i-push pin.
Yan ito need uguan nila.
So these are the parts of ayun, tabuni po ng kuan.
Dapat diri skillet din no.
Diri na lang
Nga paguan na natin.
para makita gani.
Nasa diri ko.
Ay, diri na lang
Diri mo. Nga, ang isa ka siyang no dito lang sa pikas.
Ay, duha man ni duha man ni dang. May gani kay duha ni ka siyang. Siyang mo ni.
Siyempre.
Isa diri.
Ayun lang, pwede ka malisod.
Mo ni siya siyang. Same lang sila.
Malisod.
Sirloin o short loin pareha na sila. Oops.
Di ba? Ano na, malisod na sa mga. Pwede rin malisod ka mura. Pag-relax ko sa likod, hindi ko ito makita. Okay.
Pag diri ka nag-time lapse. Ako'y maggupit. Bagaan lang siguro lang.
Ang dagang bit na, tiyo. Narado ba yung tindahan? Grabe ka tipid mo. Ayaw po doon.
Nahindot yung mga presentation. Baka yun ang sabihin niya. Baka. Kung maka-teacher pa, ngayon, hindi ka kamukaan man.
Ako yan na.
Na, o kami, isa-isa ko na po daw.
Ayan, natin.
Agtan, fitag.
Hindi mo ka mag-study lang kaya. Wala ni.
Ha?
Study lang sa ka.
Wala ko lang mag-iisip. Prayer. Una. Hindi yun mo kayo na to pray. Yun.
Maasa ni te.
Yun na. Dagan lagi na. Kamay na. Ayun, manang baga. Para di yun makuha. Wala ko sa kataas.
Ayan, tiyo. Ano
Nasa na din.
May ba charge sa inyo cellphone, no? Para huwag makain ko siya.
Wala ko kusog to eh. May po cellphone na ikusog.
Riz.
Ang plate daw paana na sa ubos daw. Diba?
Kuhaan mo, Des?
Dili na ang diba eh. Dili ang tamagmaan ano.
Bakit na hindi maumahan tiyo?
Daram na ka daw.
Ate. Ya, mindset na mo ya. Dira dati. Kunyari na demo kasi.
So this is shock.
Na.
Shock. Pinda yun. Sikan mo din.
Dapat matapos na siya.
Yun.
Wala na siya te, magsayo-sayo na siya dira no.
Dili lang ako may butang ang layon sa tunga.
Paano te, pag ibutang na nimo, ang saon na nimo?
Push pin.
Gamay naman yung pushpin. Kuha lang.
Napuro ko daan.
Ante.
Push pin lang lagi.
Pushpin lang.
Palit lang ko usab ugma eh. Shock.
Sinapod ko sa plate.
Shock lang sa ano.
Dili lang ang shock tiyo. Utak kay dito.
Oh,
Yan ang kanisang plate tiyo.
plate. Round. Beef. Beef rib. Plate. Ano ito ba?
Shock.
Shock ka? Shock.
Shank.
Shank the ini shank.
Shank. Shank. Shank
Ano yun?
beef wrap. Dili ra ni one day imong kuante.
Mas nindot pa na.
Tulong kita ron.
Tulog siguro. Sabi sa adlaw nung no. Katong ano madami agi. Among ginabuhat ba dati kay kuan.
May na paper ko.
Wala paper. Uy. Gipas na gid ang akong cellphone daw.
Balag cellphone mo update ang kay iya.
Kanigunting ka oh.
Baga ko ate.
Bisig malustrade na.
Na, kuante na. Luya po rin yung baka. Uy, bali-bali. It's been raining in Manila.
Lamot ko. Lamot ko ano. Di ka makuan daw. Dili ka ito makuan.
See?
Ang kana.
Asa itong plate eh? Dito.
Lasan na daw.
Dito ba?
Dagang katapon ko. Kasi ang short rib. Beef rib.
Beef rib.
Hindi. Kana dyan. Kagwang na.
Hindi pang baboy. Patra.
Hindi pa pinaka-lamig. Short load.
Mo pong
Kanisa daw oh. Short ribs. Yung complicated kaayo.
Di na siya siguro yung dito.
Hindi.
Dili pa na dito. Kani ko ana ano yung dito. Diba? Wala na kung bisan asa na matuti. Simple baan ka mabawa kung wala. Yung tuloy.
Ayun ko lang.
Di ako butang para paano yung dito.
Mas panipis kayo daw. Mas panipis kayo. Sige, sulit.
Huwag biglang yan ka na.
Nilagot ko ano. Ano ba siya tadi ay ko. Tulog lang ako 2 hours.
Nag-drop mag-ulo ko dyan.
Pang nag-ano ta diri. Ano ko, klase
So,
ko.
prepare sa dito sa masinina, te.
Ano
Mura ko kung naka-shop eh. Wala kayo
Shop.
yung mata.
Pwede ka kayo umang katulad.
Ay, hindi. Ay.
Ano to?
Sure.
morning, class. Good night, mom. Good morning, class. Good morning, mom. Before we start, may I request everyone to please stand up for our prayer. Okay? Kasi okay. Anyone who wants to lead the prayer? Miss Maika.
Amen.
Amen. Who's absent today? No one, ma'am. Wow, since no one is absent, let's do a Darna clap. Okay, I'll do it first. I'll do it first. Okay, I'll do it first. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Darna, your turn. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Darna.
Murag si Bella yung estudyante ba?
Checking of attendance, ma'am. Basta prayer, checking of attendance. Checking. Ayun lang yun. Stand up. Okay, let's take a short recap from a short recap of what we have discussed last meeting. It's all about, okay, what have you thought about the topic? Very good. Now we will have a group activity. We'll divide you into 4 groups. All you have to do is arrange the letter and copy pictures. Okay, so start counting. 1, 2, 3. Okay, all group 1 will be on this side. Group 2, here is the group 2. On that side is group 3, and on the last row is group 4. Go to your respective group. I will give you 3 minutes to finish. I will give you 3 minutes to finish your task. We'll give you 3 minutes to start your. I will give you 3 minutes to start your task. I will give you 3 minutes to do your task. Okay, I will give you 3 minutes to do your task. You may start now. Okay, time's up. Time's up. Paste your output in front in the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, paste na. Do you think your output is correct? Group 1? Yes, ma'am. Okay, very good. Group 2, Group 3, Group 4. Wow. So now, before we go to our new discussion, can you read first the objectives? Basahin niyo ang objectives. Ay, mali. Do you think your output's okay? Very good. Based on the activity given, what have you observed? What else? Okay, very good. To begin our lesson, can you read the objectives together? Okay, blah, 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 blah. Okay, thank you, class. So our lesson for today is all about the different types of meat and meat cuts. Okay, who wants to read number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5? So this is the different kinds of meat and meat cuts. What parts of the pork? So for example, what parts of the pork is suited for grilling? Anyone?
Belly.
Yes, belly. Why? Why it is important? Why it is important to know the different types of meat cuts? To know the different cuts of meat. why it is important to know the different cuts of meat. Okay, very good. For your further ideas, let's for your further ideas on the same group and for further ideas on the same group in the same meat you arranged earlier, write as much as you know the different right, as much as you know what recipe is suited for that meat. I will give you 2 minutes to write your answer. After 2 minutes, time's up. Okay, choose your representative to discuss your answer in front. Blah blah blah. Okay, very good. Very good. So I think you really understand our topic for today. Kindly get 1 per sheet of paper, and we will have a quiz. And I will read the question twice, so listen carefully. Okay, number 1, 2, number 3, number 4. Okay, exchange paper. Answer number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay, back the paper to the owner. Okay, who got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, very good, class. For your assignment, what are the methods to preserve meats? Okay, that's all for today. Good night.
Tulog ko na today ka, ma'am.
Di dado. Nagkalisod naman ni. Nagkalisod naman ni. Isulat din ako na sa akong kamot. Dari kanang paano lang ba? Kasunog lang sa kung ano.
Bawal na ikapitin.
Bawal. Greetings, prayer. Preparation man ni una. Preparation, greetings, prayer,
Nakita,
attendance.
Okay, tayo. Ano, hindi yung matang.
No, that's it.
Hindi yung matang.
Ha? Hindi laginan. Ito nga lang. Kahusog, anak. Kahusog, anak. Oh.
Di ba dito ko dito?
Wala man.
Scotch tape. Hindi na kay scotch tape.
Okay lang. Greetings. Good morning, class. Balik na sa ta. Dito na ko tanaw ng kungkuan. Good morning, class. May pa mo, nakatulog mo.
Yeah.
Good morning, class. Before we start, may I request everyone to stand up for our prayer. Anyone to lead? Anyone who wants to lead prayer? Okay, Miss Maika. Okay, amen. Yun na ning before you taking your seat, mali dapat checking attendance. Before taking your seat, kindly arrange your chair properly and pick up the trashes you see. So, who is absent today? No one, ma'am. So, wow, since no one is absent today, let's do the darn clap. Okay, everybody stand up again. Stand up. Dapat energizer daw pa. Stand up. Okay. I'll do it first, okay? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Darna! And 1, 2, 3. Are your turn? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Darna! Okay, let's do the... Okay, sit down. Okay, class. You may sit down. So let's have a short recap from what. So let's have a short recap about what you have discussed last meeting. Okay, what else? What have you? Anyone have thoughts about the topic? Okay, this is important because it is okay. Very good. So very good ba?
Idea?
Very good. Very good yun ako. Okay, very good. So now we will have a group activity. Okay. I will divide you into 4 groups. So all you have to do is arrange the letter
arrange the letter and cut the picture. Okay, start counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, all number 1 is on this side. Group 2 is here. Number 3 on that side, on the last row. Okay, go to your respective group. I will give you 3 minutes to do your task. Okay, your time start now. Your time start now. What? Your time starts now. Your times. You may start now. Okay. I will give you 3 minutes to do your task. You may start now. Time's up. In the count of 1. Time's up. Time's up. Okay, pace your outputs on. Pace your output. Ayun, gulibuga, babe.
Di mo alam mo si John.
Yeah.
Saan na yung
Nagkanta mo, wapa ko tulog. Ayaw, dyan niyo ko ano yan. Do you think that your output is correct? Yo! Okay, time's up. Place your output in the front. In a count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Madok na lang kung mamutana.
Di ka na ganun. Bis, do you think your output is correct? Okay, very good.
Inalagay na ito na kusida, babe.
Okay, very good. Based on the activity given, what have you observed?
Asa diri niya?
Different kinds of?
Ay, gani.
August.
Okay. What
Dapat 16
else?
na.
Very good. Nice observation.
Kontra sa grade.
Good observation. To begin our lesson, can you read the objective first? Can you read the objectives together? Blah 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 blah. So now our our lesson for today is all about the different kinds of meat and meat cuts. Oh, who wants to read number 1? Okay, blah 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 blah. Okay, beef. Okay, beef bale and beef is from cattle over 1 year old. Okay, cattle is a cow. Beef is a meat of a cow. A veal is flesh of a young calf, 4 to 5 months old because of its age. It is considered by some. Veal is also a meat of cow, but it is younger than the beef because a veal is just 4 to 5 months old to be slaughtered. Okay, next, cara beef, or from the word cara means meat from the carabao. So this is black. Mapanahuman ba? This is the different cuts of the beef.
Kayo na
meat.
kayo bira umat niya.
Ha?
Kayo kayo bira.
Sige. Okay, number 2. Pork meat from domestic pig. So pork is from the meat of the pig. If pig is slaughtered, nakalimot ko sa akong answer. Basta kanang meat siya, magikan siya sa pig. That's we call pork. And typically high in fat, and typically high in fat, and it's typically high. As you can observe when you eat pork, especially humba, there is it is thick. Bala ka, wala lang na. Patulugan sa ako. Okay, so what's number 3? Lamb, meat, domesticated sheep. Okay, the lamb is meat of a sheep or a goat or a deer. Okay, very good. Chivon. Chivon
Shibang.
is meat from deer or the goat. Okay, that's is so simple. Number 4. Okay, chicken. For raised primarily for meat and eggs. A chicken is not just for meat. We consume also their egg. Okay, very good. Very good. We consume also their eggs. Okay, this is the parts of a chicken. So that is the different kinds of meat and meat cuts. Okay, for example, what parts of pork is best suited for grilling? Belly, ma'am. Okay, very good. Why it is important? Why it is important to know the different cuts of meat? For us, okay, very good. For us to determine a cooking method and time. For us to know which cut suited for particular or specific cooking recipes. Okay, good. For your further ideas on the same group, in the same meat you arranged earlier, write as much as you know that the recipe is suited for that meat. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes to write your answer. Okay, time's up. Choose your representative to discuss your answer in front. Okay, very good. So I think you really understand our topic for today. Kindly get 1/4 sheet of paper. We will prepare for your quiz. I will read the question twice, so listen carefully. Okay, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Exchange paper.
Nayungit naman kati eh.
Alam nga, ikaw daw bug. Sige, basta something nagakuan ka na, nag-practice ka na. What are the methods of preserving? Okay, exchange paper. Who got, tapos, back the paper to the owner. Back to the, who got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, very good. For your assignment, what are the methods of serving meat? That's all for today, class, and good night.
Good night.
Okay. Good night, mama. Ako tulog, B. Sir.
Hindi, wala kayo sketch tip eh.
Wala, yun daw. Balik na po ko daw. Kani daw, dili na daw kumutan order sa akong lesson plan. Good morning, class! Good morning ba? Pero imong morning, wala din na good. I am just Hermano, your teacher for today. Okay? May I request everyone to please stand for our prayer. Anyone who leads the prayer? Okay, Miss Maika. Okay, amen. Attendance na. Ano ko tulog yun? Hindi ko.
Sorry,
Hindi oras.
Sorry.
Ang 30 minutes naman. Gari, day ko